Hi everyone, welcome back to Infinite Solutions. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to sign the delivery orders. So before making a sale order, we just have to make sure whether the signature has been enabled in the settings. So let's go to the settings and see whether the signature is enabled or not. So here we can search for the signature. So as you can see under the inventory, there is signature option is there. So let's enable this and we can save. So once it is saved, we can go to the sales module and create a quotation. Okay, so now we can go to the sales module and create a new quotation for a customer. So here we can choose the customer's name and add the product that is required for the customer. So here the customer is ordering for a storage box of 2 quantities he's ordering. So now let's save this quotation and we can confirm the order. So once the order is confirmed, we can see a delivery tab appears. So let's open this. So here you can see the product and the demanded quantities. So now we can set the quantities and validate. So after validating, the done quantity is also updated. That is, we have delivered 2 quantities to the customer. So after validating, here a sign button also appears. So let's make a signature for the customer. So here there is 3 options available. We can either automatically generate the signature, or either we can draw the signature, or even we can load the signature of the customer from our system. So when you click auto, here the customer signature appears automatically, and we can also draw the signature of the customer. And we can also load the signature of the customer from our system. So now I am automatically generating the signature for the customer, and we can click on the adopt and sign. So let's see the printout of this delivery order. So here we can print. So this is the printout of the delivery order, and below here you can see the signature of the customer. So now let's go back and create the invoice and make the payment for the customer. Okay, now we can go back and let's create the invoice. So this is the draft invoice, and we can confirm this invoice, and let's register the payment also. So here we can choose the journal, whether it is cash payment or bank payment. Accordingly, you can select it and create the payment. So after making the payment, it will be in the in payment status. So this is how we can do signature for the delivery orders for customers. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you have any questions or need more in-depth information, don't hesitate to visit our website www.infinter.com. Thank you.